Hold on tight. We're lucky to have had the love that we have. Alright, I should have keyed this up first, but world's gonna get hit by a pink Mack truck. Pink Mack truck. That ain't a Mack. That's a Peterbilt. It'll happen. It'll happen.